So exercise 14.4, first question. The following goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. In a series of 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. So these are under the goals. What we need to find? We need to find mean, median, and mode of this score. So the given data they have to given, one is 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. These are the given data. So in this given data, first what we need to do, we need to arrange in a ascending order. Next, we have to find the mean of this data, and then median of this data, and mode. So this mean, median, mode, already I informed measures of central tendency. We can say about measures of central tendency. So what is the formula to find out mean? Sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So here what is mean by observation? Observation is nothing but number of goals were scored by a team. That is the observation. So how many matches are there? 10 matches. So 10 matches we take it as a total number of observation, and goal we take it as a some observation. That is for first match 2 goals, second match 3 goals, third match 4 goals. So likewise up to 10 match they have to given the scored. They given the score. So sum of observation means we need to add the goal out of 10 matches and divided by 10, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observation is there. So we need to add. So in a short form, how we can written as this is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 whole divided by 10. So this one we say it as sum of observation, and this one we say it as total number of observation. So now we move on to the solution. So solution, what we have to find out, we need to find out the mean of the goal. So first we need to write the given data. What is the given data? So given data is goal out of 10 matches. Given data is nothing but goals out of 10 matches. Goal out of 10 matches is equal to, so how what are the goal is there? We need to write 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3, 3, 4, 3. So totally 10 goals are there. So next we need to find out the mean. So mean of data is equal to we need to add this observation. So already note that the formula, sum of observation divided by total number of observation is the formula. So you can written like this. Sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Total number of observation. So what is sum of observation? We need to add the goal. You need to add the goal. So what are the goal? They have to take an 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. You have to add in addition condition. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. So next what we have to take? Divided by 10, because total number of observations is nothing but 10. Total number of observation is 10. So next, what we need to what we get 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 15, 18, 21, 25, 28. So we add, we get 28 divided by 10. So what is the value you get finally? We get 2.8 goals. What we get? We get finally answer 2.8 goals. So therefore mean of data, therefore mean of goal taken by the team is equal to 2.8 goals. 2.8 goals. So next, what we need to find out? We need to find out the median. So already I told how you find out the median. First you need to count it. So what are the, how many observations are there? 10. It is in even counting. So even counting means first you need to find out what is n by 2 term and what is n by 2 plus 1th term. So we need to find out that both. Okay, so now we need to find out median. So number of the observation is in even counting. So number of observation in even counting. Even counting. So how we can written like this? We need to find out n by 2. N by 2 n by 2th term. N by 2th term so you can written like this: average of n by 2, average of n by 2th term, n by 2th term, and n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1, n divided by 2 plus 1, n divided by 2 plus 1 term. So first what we need, what is n by 2 term? N by 2 term means 10 divided by 2, you get 5th term. We need to take over n divided by 2. N divided by 2 is nothing but n divided by 2 is nothing but 10 by 2 is equal to 5. That is 5th term. That is 5th term. And next one is n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1. So how you can written n by 2 plus 1? So n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2 plus 1 is nothing but you can written 5 plus 1 is equal to 6th term. 6th term. So we need to take over average of 5th and 6th term. Before that, what we need to do? You need to arrange the given data in ascending order. Arrange the given data in ascending order. So how you written ascending order from lowest to? So lowest to means first you take a 0, comma 1, comma only 1 times 1, and 2, comma. So how many times 3 appears? So 3 it appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times it appears. 4 times it appears. So I can written 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3. So totally 7 data we can written. Remaining what are this? 2 times 4 is there. 4 comma 4 and only 1 time 5. So totally 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 10 observation we written in a ascending order. Here which is the fifth term. You need to write what is fifth term and what is sixth term. We need to write fifth term. Fifth term is equal to, what is fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term is also 3. Sixth term is also 3. So therefore you can directly written fifth term is equal to sixth term. Fifth term is equal to sixth term is equal to both are 3. Both are 3. So we need to find out median. We need to find out the median. So median, already I told, median is nothing but average of fifth and sixth term. We take it over the median. So median is equal to fifth term plus sixth term, fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. So this is the average. Fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. So next, what is fifth term? So fifth term, sixth term both are 3. So this one you can written as 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So what is median of the given data? So median of the given data is nothing but 3. So median of a given data, median of given data is equal to 3. So next what we need to find out? Mode. So next what we have to see? Mode of the data. So mode of the data is nothing but, so mode of the data is the observation. Mode of the data is the observation. Mode of the data is the observation with the maximum, with the maximum frequency in data, maximum frequency in given data. So mode of the data is the observation with maximum frequency, with the maximum frequency. So with the maximum frequency in data, the maximum frequency in data. So again we need to write the data. So what are the data is there in 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observation. Here you observe which data have more frequency. Here mode, here mode is equal to nothing but 3. Why? It has maximum frequency. It has maximum frequency. It has maximum frequency 4. It has maximum frequency as 4. Maximum frequency as 4. So next we move on to the second question. Now you can check over the answer. Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. If you add, you get 822 divided by 15. So if you add, you get 54.8. Next, how you find out the median? So how many? So next we find out median. So here the given data is 15 students. That is odd counting. In odd counting, how we have to find out the median means we need to take over n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2 term is the median. So how you can find out n plus 1 divided by 2? N is nothing but how many? 15 is there, plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So 8th term is the median of the given data. So how you find out the 8th term? Before you finding the 8th term, what you need to do? We need to arrange the given data in ascending order. Okay, given the ascending order. So everything is there. Arranging the score obtained in 15 students in ascending order is 39, 40, 40, 41, 46, 48, 52, 52, 52, 54, 60, 62, 96, and then 98. So you can observe everything in ascending order. We need to find out which one is the 8th term. Which is the 8th term. So now you can check which is the 8th term. So 39 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here this is the 52. One of the 52 is the median of the term. Otherwise you can take over if a number is an odd number, just you can cancel it. Because if you need to go any competitive examination means in the cancellation method, you cancel the first one, last one, second one and before, third one and before, fourth one and before. You can cancel like this. Finally you get one value. So now you see this is the 8th observation. 52 is the median by cancellation. In odd counting also you get two values and take over the average, you get the median. Okay, in competitive examination you can use this cancellation method without adding and dividing everything. Okay, so 8th observation. Now we can check the answer is correct or not. So as the number 15 plus 1, 8th term, so median is nothing but 52. And next what we need to observe, here we need to observe which one having more frequency. So first I take over repeating value is 40. So 40 how many times repeated? 2 times repeated. Next which one is repeating? 52 is repeating. So 52 how many times? 52 repeating 3 times. So here repeating terms is 40 and then 52. So here which one frequency is more? 50. That frequency of the 52 is more frequency. So mode of the given data is nothing but 52. Mode of the given data is nothing but 52. So you can see mode of the observation. Mode of data is the observation with the maximum frequency in data. Therefore, mode of the data is 52, having the highest frequency in data as 3.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுனா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்க bell பட்டனை